Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I am here to share my page in hashtag Color and Create with Us You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary at Rosemary You Rock Art's channel. This is her open collaboration that in the beginning of the year she picked out this book, this coloring book, and I decided to buy it on Amazon and join in. You can either do the coloring part, or you could do just the creating part, or you could do both. So I am doing the coloring part today. um, Still working on my Thanksgiving cards. I have the layout done. I'm just punching and just doing all kinds of stuff, prep work, because I'm making a whole bunch of cards. So um, this week's page is this fall page. And let me, I don't know if I can show it to you. Oh, there we go. That's better. I had to move my punches. All my punches are all on my desk. So this is the page that Rosemary picked out for us for this week. I love owls and love the pumpkins and the leaves and how it's changing. I made it lighter on the top and then kind of darker on the bottom as they fall to the ground. I even colored the word fall lighter. It's like a mustard and then an orange and then brown. I like that, like ombre, I guess, look. And then I colored him up really cute, like a brown owl. I love the yellow and the gray together, which made me, do his hat in gray. And then the pumpkins are just, pumpkins. They're orange. I know there's different color pumpkins, but I don't think those are real colors. Well, they might be. I don't know. But I love the orange and it screams fall to me. So this is my page for this week. I do not know what is next week that Rosemary has picked out, but I'm sure it's going to be fun. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by and commenting and subscribing um, on my channel. And I'll see you in my next video, everyone. Bye now.